When individuals or groups come together to set goals, it's important to ensure that everyone involved is on the same page. Goals should be targeted at specific objectives that the group or individual is trying to accomplish, and their success should be measurable. Setting goals together can be beneficial in fostering both personal and collective growth and providing a sense of direction for everyone involved. The first step in getting goals together is to identify an initial purpose for the group or individual. This should be discussed openly and be something that everyone in the group can get behind. A sense of shared purpose is a good foundation for setting goals together, as it sets the tone for what the group or individual intends to achieve. Once a purpose has been established, individuals or the group need to start laying out their objectives. Each objective should be specific, achievable, and measurable. Objective setting needs to be realistic, as overly ambitious goals could lead to a lack of motivation or a decreased likelihood of success. It's important to break down each objective into smaller, tangible goals that can be employed in order to achieve the overall objective. The next step is to prioritize goals. Prioritizing goals can help to determine which tasks need more attention than others, as well as to help establish which goals need to be completed first. People should be encouraged to ask questions about the goals set and their priorities in order to ensure that everyone is on board and understands why the goals are important to the overall objective. Once goals have been identified and prioritized, individuals in the group or individuals should start creating a plan of action. This plan should outline the steps to take in order to successfully accomplish the goals. This can include tasks such as formulating strategies, allocating resources, and creating deadlines. Everyone involved in the group should be clear about their roles and responsibilities in terms of the goals, and should also be aware of any potential risks in pursuing the objectives. Once the plan of action has been detailed, individuals or the group need to evaluate the progress of their goals on a regular basis. Reviewing progress helps to ensure that all partners are on the same page and that objectives are being met. This review should take into account any changes that may have occurred since the initial plan was outlined, as well as any new challenges that have arisen in the process. Finally, it's important to reward and celebrate success when goals have been achieved. This helps to promote motivation and encourages people to strive for more. Not a single successful person has gotten where they are today without help. Celebrate success by including your supporters. Go out for a nice dinner. Give small gifts of appreciation. Tell them how much they mean to you. The secret of living is giving, even when you're celebrating your own accomplishments. Our failures are learning moments, but our successes are the fuel that keeps us going. Always celebrate accomplishments, no matter how small. Track your progress so that you can see how far you've come, even if you haven't yet reached your ultimate goal. It will help you stay positive, which is the key to continued success.